Hello, it's day 1 with Team 12. We're in Nepal now, in Dolakha, and first task is actually move bricks to one of the houses over there to rebuild it. So, with the current situation, this is about halfway done. We're about halfway through the day, so hopefully we can finish this on time before sunset. So stay tuned for more, and let's go. So this is Arjun. Arjun, say hello. So this is the reason why we're in Dolakha today. So
Thanks for being with us.
how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm very happy with you guys.
We're gonna finish up here and let's see how it goes.